I don't understand. What do you mean by I don't buy water? Is that why you're knocking on my vehicle like that? Well, anyways, I don't drink pure water, okay? What I drink is bottled water. I used to drink pure water when I was, I had nothing. But right now, what I drink is bottled water. Who does that? Sorry. Pure water in the past. Bottled water, the present, the future. Pure water was in the past.
Okay.
Sorry, my boy.
You were not informed. Jesus! How can this guy be driving this fast now?
I'm so sorry, okay? Babe, sorry. Sorry, I didn't
Just
say
look at my body.
Oh, I'm sorry,
You
my
don't have
dear.
to drive fast like that.
I
Look
am
at my
sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Pure water. Come. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, yeah?
Okay.
This will not be a boss. Such a beautiful girl. This shouldn't be happening to you. That's good. Sorry, yeah?
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm so sorry. I said you were going this way.
Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you, huh? Thank you, my dear. Bye.
God have mercy upon us.
How about okay.
You will handicap.
I said give me change. Come on. Who does that? You say what?
500.
Allergy.
I don't want my 500.
You tell me that I said pure water 30 naira for two.
No, process. No, 1,500.
Hey! 501.
Yes, now.
Sure.
Things say they why.
No bad menu one.
I don't know it.
No bad menu one.
See.
I bet you.
It was at this moment that he knew. Fucked up.
I had nothing. But right now, what I drink is bottled water. Who does that?
Because I bet that now.
Sorry.
I'm going to sell a finish.
Pure water in the past. Bottled water, the present, the future. Pure water was in the past.
Okay.
Sorry, my boy.
When you put your hand in your ass and smell it, what were you expecting?